Tonight, the federal government is sending thousands of doses of the Pfizer vaccine to Iowa health departments ahead of the anticipated approval of the shot for young kids. We're talking about 5 to 11-year-olds soon becoming eligible to get the COVID-19 shot. Tonight, the latest snapshot of how Iowa is preparing for the big rollout.
This week, all eyes are on the Food and Drug Administration as federal officials look to approve emergency use authorization of the Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 to 11. We could get a full CDC approval for the shot as soon as next week. Iowa health officials say they're ready. Here's the plan. 99,000 doses are going to arrive beginning this week and through November 4th. The shots will be given by pediatricians, family medical clinics, rural health centers, hospitals, and local county health departments. Our team has contacted about a dozen central Iowa school districts. None of them say they have plans to host vaccine clinics for kids yet. The state will order more doses every week as the initial rollout begins. About 284,000 children fall into this age. Special needles and other supplies will arrive with the vaccines starting this week. Chnu, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.
Local county health departments and pharmacies are working hard right now to host youth vaccination clinics as soon as the shot is approved. Now in Webster County, the approach is similar to when the first vaccines were given the green light. But health leaders recognize they need to offer more flexibility with kids. They're thinking about hosting night and weekend drive-through clinics and even going into families' homes to administer the shot.
We will do whatever we need to do to canvass the community. We'll go to small towns to make sure that the vaccination is accessible and there's really no barriers to anybody that really wants the shot. We should be able to give it to them.
Webster County Health is also looking to share flyers and other materials with school districts so parents are informed of their options with the COVID vaccine. Well, 3 things to know about scheduling a vaccination appointment for your child once the shot is approved. First, a parent or guardian must go with their child to the appointment and sign a consent form. You'll be asked to provide your child's birth date for verification and call ahead to your doctor's office, your local pharmacy, or public health department to get information about potential clinic dates so you can mark those on your calendar. Well, parents are anxiously awaiting the day they can take their child in for that appointment. Local 5's Ryan Scott spoke to parents about that decision tonight.
That's right, Stephanie. I spoke to 2 families experiencing the pandemic in very unique ways, but both came to the same conclusion. They want their children to get the COVID vaccine as soon as possible.
Getting something as serious as COVID could be a matter of life and death for our family.
I'm eager to vax the 5-year-old and the other 2 as soon as their doctor says it's appropriate.
Tonight at 10, why this vaccine is so important to these families and families like them across Iowa. In the studio, Ryan Scott, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.
Ryan, thank you. And meanwhile, Moderna says its low-dose COVID vaccine is safe and appears to work in 6 to 11-year-olds. The company says half-dose shots gave kids in that age range strong levels of virus-fighting antibodies. There were temporary side effects like fever and fatigue.